Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm back to do a beauty box unboxing, and this is the Look Fantastic beauty box in collaboration with Illamasqua. So first of all, I've never actually tried a Look Fantastic beauty box before. I've just never got around to trying one, and I've never really experimented with a lot of beauty boxes. I've tried a few like Birchbox and Glossybox many years ago. Haven't done one recently, and another really good thing about this beauty box in particular is I have never ever, like literally I do not know where I've been, I've never tried an Illamasqua beauty product. Like I feel like it's one of the brands I've just never tried, but I feel like it's quite hard to get hold of where I'm from. Like I know obviously you can buy things online, but I just never seem to see their products in any of like the stores that are near me or anything. So I feel like this is a really good chance to get hold of some products I've never tried and definitely like experiment with some products I maybe wouldn't buy anyway. So I feel like that's a really good thing about a beauty box, and Look Fantastic beauty boxes, as I've heard and I've seen in person, are absolutely amazing. Can't wait to see what is inside. I haven't looked yet, so this is definitely a first impressions also. So if you want to see what's inside this Illamasqua Look Fantastic beauty box, then keep on watching. So first up we've got the box. This is the box and it's right here. It's black. I love the box. Things about beauty boxes as well, you can use them for storage after. Like the box is usually quite pretty and you can use this for storage after. So it's really good, and it's a plain black box and it's got Illamasqua written on the front, and it says Illamasqua Look Fantastic on the box. So we're going to open the box up if we can get it open. Like, it's got some really nice tissue paper and it's wrapped up really nice. I love the fact that it's got the tissue paper over the top because you can't see what's in it straight away, so it doesn't ruin it. Actually as well, with tissue paper it feels a lot more luxurious as well. So I'm going to take this sticker off and undo the box like so. The first thing I can see is the leaflet, and with beauty boxes often come with like a leaflet of such to let you know what is inside the box, maybe the prices and just a little bit about the box and the brands inside, because I don't really want to know what's in there yet. So first up, the first thing I can see is this pot. This is the Hydrovel Rehydrating Gel. As I've said, I've never actually tried any of Illamasqua's products, but I have heard some good things about some products, and the one product I recognise definitely is the Hydrovel. It says it's a lightweight water-based formula which is quickly absorbed by the skin, makes the skin feel hydrated and smoothed. This clear gel is infused with vitamin B3 and that holds more than 1,000 times its weight in water, perfect for moisturising your skin, and also blurs the appearance of fine lines. So I feel like that's a really good thing to start off with. I'm not really sure what it is. It just says it's a rehydrating gel. And the great thing about the book is that you can check out what the product is, what it does, so you're not like stuck. A good size pot. I feel like 7ml is also a great size to have because it gives you the chance to test out a product. At the same time, if you didn't like it, you're not stuck with like a huge pot. With like a pot this size, you can test, you've got the right amount to test out, which I feel like is really good. Oh my god, it's really smooth. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a jelly almost, and I'm just going to rub it into the back of my hand to show you, which I've probably done a little too much. But it's just really smooth, and I feel like on your skin, put that on and then apply makeup over the top, it's going to go on so nicely and so like flawlessly. So I'm really excited to give that a go. The mini Hydrovel, and it is Illamasqua's fastest ever selling product. Makes your skin feel hydrated and revitalized with this lightweight gel primer. So it's a primer, so I can't wait to use that, and I feel like it's a really good size. See, I'm really happy with that. Next up we've got this, and this is mascara, as I can see it by the packaging, and it's in the shade Raven. So I'm going to open this up. Once again, I feel like this is like this isn't not a full size, but it's just a mascara. I love the packaging. It's sleek and it's simple, and I love that. Sometimes packaging with a lot like going on with it, it's just like it gets dirty in your bag and stuff. So this is really good, and it's really good for travel also. And oh my god, the brush on this looks so cool. I love the brush on this, and I feel like this is going to really help lengthen my lashes. So inside the booklet it says this is a mini mascara. It said the only mascara you will ever need. It's smudge proof, blacker than black. It's lashes with extreme volume. So I'm so excited to try that. I feel like I'm definitely going to do a video on this because I have such short lashes. They don't curl, there's no volume in them, so I often find myself wearing lashes because I just can't get a curl with a mascara. So I feel like to try out a mascara that's definitely going to lengthen at the same time will be really handy. So I'm really excited about that, and I love travel size. I prefer travel size mascaras to normal ones because I just feel like they're not as wet, the formula, because there's not as much in there, and they're just a lot more handy to have in my handbag if I'm like going out with it or something. So I feel like that's so I'm really happy with that. Next up we have this tiny little pot, and I think I have like a hunch what this is going to be because I can see it, because usually pots like this are usually liners. This says it's a precision gel liner, and it says that it is in the shade infinity, but I feel like you get definitely a decent amount of size in this. It says it's a mini gel liner, but I honestly wouldn't expect anything more than this in a gel liner, so I'm really happy with that. Gel liners are something I don't get on with very well, but a great thing to use with gel liners is, I'm just going to throw it out there, it's definitely sellotape. If you struggle like me with gel liners, you just definitely need to use sellotape, and it's going to save your life with liner. Next up, we've got this one here. I'm not sure what this is, but it's in the shade Silhouette, and it says it's a gel sculpt contouring gel. I've never heard of, like, I've obviously heard of contouring sticks and like liquid contour, but never of contouring gel. It looks a little something like this, and if I open it up, it's just got a little cap on it. Oh my god, it looks quite dark. Such a good idea. As you can see, it's not even that pigmented. I think it's just going to give you a really nice, like, subtle, really natural, almost like, it almost looks like you've been like tanned or something using it. So again, looking at the leaflet, it says it's a mini gel sculpt in the shade Silhouette, subtle shading that still gets you noticed, calls for a textural innovation, introducing gel sculpt, an ultra blendable sculpting stick to face's natural curves. I'm really excited to try this. Once again, I feel like this is definitely like different. I've never heard of anything like this. So first of all, like, I feel like Illamasqua has such a dynamic range of products which I wouldn't have got to try if I wouldn't have had this box, because I wouldn't choose to buy these products myself. So I feel like that's a really good idea, and I'm definitely gonna add this to my video with mascara to try out, because I'm really intrigued by this. I feel like this would suit people who have really light skin, are scared to use like contouring sticks because they're obviously so dark, but I feel like this is great for everyone, so I can't wait to try that. Next up, we have this. I feel like this is definitely a brush, but I think it is a brush. It says in the number ILO030. Just take it off. This is one of them really good ones to travel because it comes in two separate parts and you can just attach it. And by the looks of it, it's also a gel eyeliner brush, so it's great that you're getting the eyeliner, and if you don't have the brush, you're also getting the brush in the box, so that's amazing, and I can't wait to try them both out now together. The brush looks really like precise as well, and it's got a really thin point to it, so I cannot wait to try these two together. So we've come to an end, and we've got like the last thing in the box if there's nothing else in here. So last but not least, we've got this here, and this looks to me like it could be full size, and it's a lipstick. I absolutely love getting lipsticks in beauty boxes because I definitely always choose out shades which you wouldn't personally choose yourself, or there might be something different or a different formula or something you just generally wouldn't try it yourself. So this says it's in the shade Bang. Love the name already. And if I can get it out, this is the packaging. Very sleek, very good in storage because it's black, it's square. Because it's square, it's got the colour on the bottom, which is excellent, because if you're looking for that shade in your box, you're gonna find it. And you open it up here, it's, oh my god, it's such a pretty colour. It's a nude. Sometimes I do find, as I said before, it's really nice that you're going to get different colours, but sometimes you don't always wear those different colours and they might not get used, but when they throw a nude in there, this colour is going to suit everyone's skin tone. So I feel like that's great that they put a nude in the box. That's excellent. I can't wait to try it. It's got a really nice shaped bullet as well, and the fact that it's full size is so good. Thank you so much, Look Fantastic, for gifting me the box. I really enjoyed looking for it. I feel like I've gained so many new products, and definitely products I wouldn't generally choose or use myself. I'm definitely going to film a video trying out all the products, and definitely that gel sculpt contour set, because I'm so intrigued by that and I can't wait to use it. But thank you so much for watching. If you'd like more videos like this, make sure to thumbs up this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye!